Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to our channel, your channel, everybody channel. So guys, today is Saturday morning, weekend, and I wanted to show you guys my life in a day. I wanted to share with you guys what I'm gonna do today, what I'm gonna eat. Don't mind me. So I'm going to show you guys what we are eating, what we are doing on Saturday. Now Obi is not home, went to work. From Monday to Saturday, it's not easy. You know, my previous video, my life in a day, when the video I took my boy to school, I'd make a lot of things. Yeah, I went to supermarket on my way coming back home, cook, then go back to pick him. So I show you guys, and my husband checked the comments and was like, all the comments is God bless we mothers and something like this. We mother are trying. And my husband was like, what? So it's only you mothers that try, we fathers we don't try? I said, are you jealous? Yeah, my husband is jealous, you know. Check all the comments, and he was like, so everybody just supports woman and be like, woman is not easy, God bless mothers. So what was fathers? So God bless fathers too. They are trying, like seriously. We are trying and they are trying. When they will go to work, you know, put food on our table, and that is when you are not working. Because for now I'm not working, because I stay home with the kids, and it's not easy. Even that one is a big job. I am telling you, it's a big job that you are not paying, that you are not be paying for. They will not pay you for it, but it's a very big job. So God bless you fathers, not only mothers. So okay guys, I've already arranged everywhere, clean everywhere. So I wanted to show you guys, I want to clean this fridge. I want to clean it and arrange the fridge. So I want to arrange it and clean it, because my Africa food is coming today that I ordered for. So it will arrive today. I have to clean my fridge, but I'm not going to clean the freezer. I've already cleaned the freezer before, so I'm not cleaning the freezer. I've already cleaned it, so I'm cleaning only the fridge. Yeah, so guys, let's clean. Then after cleaning, I'm going to make food. I'm going to make breakfast. I can't call it breakfast because they have breakfast already. They have tea and bread already. So I'm gonna make spaghetti, I think. Yeah, let me make spaghetti, okay? So
I begin to
Sit.
Okay, now what? Leave it.
I begin to. I begin
You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure.
So guys, we are back home. We are back home. So let me show you what we bought. What we got from supermarket. So this is what we got. The first supermarket we branch is Aldi supermarket. So the second one is Kaufland. Yeah. So this is what we got. Got some tomato paste. Thyme, some milk, juice, and my baby juice. Then we got apple, cola. This is starch, groundnut oil. We got banana. We got egg. We got some tomatoes. We got some rice. We got this for my baby sandwich. We got some paprika. Got spinach. I still have one in the fridge, so got one. And we got some bread. My baby this for all. Yeah. So that is what we got for this weekend. So guys, hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up since morning. Stop. Yeah. So since morning, this is Obi. I told you earlier that he went to work. So is back and we went to supermarket together. So thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. I will be happy to see you again in our next video. Bye.